Welcome to the NASCAR Dominos Cup Series. The NASCAR Hendrick Motorsports 500. One car will be 4 laps for each stage. Stage 1 car will be eliminated. Stage 2, another car will be eliminated. And stage 3 will be 2 drivers left. And let's get the race started. Lap 1. Caution on the track for a wreck. Why are you still flipping over, and now it's bumping, spinning, wheel hopping, and what a scary tumble for William Byron, and he will be eliminated. And we're going to go headed for stage 2. Stage 2, 4 laps. Here we go. Lap 2. Lap 3. Final lap. Who will disqualify? Jimmy Johnson will disqualify for stage 3 for the final stage. Here we go to stage 3 for 4 laps. Lap 2. Lap 3. Final lap. Who will win to the Hendrick Motorsports 400 at Hendrick Motorsports Speedway? Here we go. Oops, my mistake. Sorry. Green flag. Chase Elliott's going to win this race. And Chase Elliott celebrates the victory. Let's do 1 lap for him. Here comes the instant replay. And Chase Elliott celebrates for victory. Let's go to an instant replay. You see Alex Bowman start the wheel hop and blows the left rear tire. And William Byron started bouncing, got the air underneath the car. And Johnson hard on the brake. And what a wild tumble for William Byron. Chase Elliott will celebrate victory at Hendrick Motorsports Speedway.